There was a time when everything went quiet. No applause, no support, no one checking if I was still standing. Just silence. And in that silence, I learned something brutal. When the noise disappears, the truth gets louder. I wasn't lost. I was abandoned. By people who promised loyalty. By voices that once said, "I believe in you." They vanished the moment I stopped being useful. And that pain, it didn't break me. It woke me up. Because the world doesn't respect potential. It respects results. The world smiles at comfort and laughs at ambition. It rewards obedience, not fire. And the moment I chose to want more, they wanted me smaller, quieter, easier to ignore. They said, "Slow down. Be realistic. Stop dreaming like that." What they really meant was, "Don't become something we can't control." So they doubted, they whispered. They watched from a distance, hoping I would quit. But here's what they never understood. I do my best work when no one is watching. The dark didn't scare me. It educated me. It showed me who was real. It stripped away excuses. It burned the weakness out of me. And one night, in that darkness, I stopped asking, "Why me?" and started asking, "What am I becoming?" That was the moment everything changed. I realized I wasn't being punished. I was being prepared. The isolation was training. The rejection was sharpening me. The pain was turning me into something colder, stronger, unstoppable. I stopped waiting for motivation. Motivation is emotional. It fades. I built discipline instead. Silent, ruthless, consistent. While they were distracted, I was rebuilding. While they were comfortable, I was uncomfortable on purpose. While they slept, I worked. Not for attention, not for validation, but for dominance. Every scar became armor. Every failure became instruction. Every lonely night became proof that I could survive without approval. And somewhere along the way, I stopped needing anyone to understand me. Because villains aren't born screaming. They're built in silence. They rise when they accept that being misunderstood is the price of becoming powerful. So let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them remember your weakest version, because that version is dead. I'm not here to be liked. I'm not here to be relatable. I'm here to be undeniable. This comeback won't be loud at first. It won't ask for permission. It won't explain itself. It will simply arrive, fully formed, and impossible to ignore. They'll say you changed. Good, you were supposed to. They'll say you became cold. No, you became focused. They'll say you're dangerous now. That's the point, because the comeback never starts in the light. It starts in the dark, where excuses die, where weakness is exposed, where legends are forged in isolation. And when you finally step back into the world, you won't announce your return. Your presence will do that for you.